now we are continuing with our paper. Okay, so now we are doing question 4b. Okay, so we'll start with the first instruction, which says retrieve the spreadsheet question 4a from your data diskette. Okay, what does this mean? Remember that when we're doing question 4a, we did question 4a and then we saved it. Okay, so what is meant by retrieving? It means that we are now going back and reopening the data that we have keyed in the previous question, which is question 4a. Okay, how do we then retrieve the information? Then you go to your file explorer. Now we want to retrieve the information, so you can just go to your file explorer, just click there. You must remember or recall where you have saved the information. So in my case, I saved it under desktop. Okay, under desktop, under folder lesson 2020. Okay, then I will open it. Then there's my question 4a. Then I'll right click and I'll open it. So this is what is called retrieving. We have now retrieved, or we have reopened the question. So I hope this was useful. So this is what is meant by retrieving the previous question that we have keyed in. So this is the previous question. This is our previous question 4a. If you can check the title bar, it's question 4a. And this is the data that we have keyed in. Thank you.